Hi, this is Todd Krause from Northwest Water. I'm looking forward to hopefully seeing you all at the 2014 National Groundwater Expo. I will be doing a presentation on arsenic, iron, manganese, hydrogen sulfide, and treatment of other groundwater contaminants. We'll be looking at what happens when the standard treatment methods don't quite work and the resources that you'll need to have successful treatment. I know a lot of times drillers and other people in the groundwater industry kind of avoid water treatment because they've had a bad experience here or there. 80–90% of the time you put a softener on and walk away and it works great for 10–15 years or more. But every once in a while you run into that disaster that is just really hard to work on, really hard to treat. And so we're going to talk about how to avoid those disasters. One of the best ways I've found to do that actually has nothing to do with water chemistry or water treatment itself. We're going to visit a lot about water chemistry, water treatment, ion exchange, reverse osmosis, oxidation filtration, all the different treatment techniques. We'll kind of go through those a little bit. But more important than any of those, we're going to talk about how to interact with your customers, what questions to be asking them, and how to set their expectations. And I've found with water treatment, one of the most important things is setting your customer expectations. They need to understand that we're going to do our best guess. We're going to hit this with the best treatment available first, but that treatment is never 100% guarantee. And when you set up your customer expectations that way, then when something goes right, wow, they're happy. They're like, you've done it. You're the man. But when things don't go quite right, they expect it. They know, oh, yes, we talked about this. This is a possibility. And then what's the next step we need to take? And boy, I've seen that time and time again where you take a situation which without that communication up front, the customer's upset, they're mad. But when you do that little extra work in communicating up front, setting those expectations in a realistic way, things go wrong, and instead of having distrust, it actually increases their trust. And some of the worst water quality customers then actually end up being your happiest clients because you've eventually succeeded in the end. So those are some of the things we're going to be talking about, and I really look forward to seeing you all. Thanks a lot.